I'm Alice Quinn. I'm a senior manufacturing engineer and I work at 3M. I'm based at our site in the northeast of England, where we specialise in the manufacture of respirators and filter media. I moved here 4 years ago to help the site ramp up for the COVID-19 pandemic. 3M is a science and technology company with manufacturing facilities, research and development and laboratories situated all over the globe. You might recognise Scotch tape, command strips and post-it notes as some of 3M's brands. It is incredible to be recognised as a top 100 winner and not something I was expecting so early in my career. I have to say it's given me a real confidence boost, especially as I have only specialised in the digitalisation field more recently. I've always enjoyed learning, and since modern manufacturing is constantly evolving, I'm excited to continue my development in the digitisation space. Ever since visiting Jaguar Land Rover's assembly plant during a week of work experience aged 16, I've been fascinated by manufacturing. Even now, seeing how raw materials are processed and assembled using automated equipment excites me, and I spend a lot of time on the shop floor because of this. I love being introduced to new processes and developing my appreciation of industry by visiting other factories. This always gives me an opportunity to ask a lot of questions. Advances in technology are changing the manufacturing landscape at pace. One of our challenges is the skills shortage in our industry. At 3M Aycliffe, we are addressing this through STEM outreach, including school visits and apprenticeships. There's a stigma around manufacturing that it is dirty and dangerous, and although this may be the case in some instances, it's not in my experience. So the more that we can share of this, the better. A concerning aspect of increased digitalisation is the management of our data security. There's an increased demand to access this data quickly and easily, but often the data that we require is sensitive and needs protecting. Our challenge is to find a balance between the cost and complexity of maintaining a system that both stores and protects this data.